Hi, this is me again, Mr. Zamora, and I am here to explain 7L1. What percentage is illustrated? Alright, so this is the same question for, I think, well, I'm not sure if all of the problems, but at least all of the problems at the beginning. Okay, so we need to answer our problem using a percent symbol, percent sign. Okay, so what percent of this shape is blue? So because all of this is blue, it means it is 100%. So don't forget the percent sign. Okay, so if one of these were missing, I mean, like if one of these squares were a different color, it wouldn't be 100%. It will be different, but because all of the squares are blue, so 100% of the squares are blue. Okay. So what percent of the shape is purple? So half of it. Okay. So half of it represents 50%. Okay, submit. What percent of the shape is purple? All of it, which is 100%. Okay, what percent of the shape is orange? We need to know how many squares are there in total. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 out of 10, which is 20%. So if you're not really sure about what percent is that, okay, you can always, like, for example, use paper and pencil, and you know that, for example, okay, it is too thin, like 2/10 is well, the fraction. This is the fraction form, like we got here. Okay, 2/10 is orange, so you can use this division. Okay, so if you go and you divide this, it is going to be 0.2. And if you want to convert 0.2 to a percent number, you need to move the decimal point 2 spaces to the right, and it will be something like this, 2, 0, right? Because okay, so I am going to do it just like this. Okay, so if you want to move, let's say this, 1 space, 2 spaces, so you need to fill the empty space with a 0, so it will be this amount, which is 20, and this is the percent number. So this is another way to solve it. So 20%. All right, so in this, again, it is divided in 10 sections, only one of them. Okay, so only 1/10, which equals 10%. Okay, and this is what you have to do. This is easy because it's 100 little squares, and 11 out of them is purple, so 11%. I don't know, probably this is enough. Okay, again, this is 100 squares, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 squares are orange, so 60% is orange. 60 out of 100, so this is 12 out of 100, and this is 100%. And okay, as I told you, for example, 3 out of 4, let me explain this, 3 out of 4 equals, so if you do this division, you're going to find out that the answer is 0. Let me do it bigger. 0.75. Okay, so if you want to convert a decimal number into a percent number, so you move the decimal point 1 and 2 spaces to the left. Okay, and you just add the percent symbol at the end. So 75%. Okay, 75%. Okay, I guess this is it. This is enough. Actually, I already answered 10 questions. Be careful in this one, because you can see that there is only one square which is pink. Well, I can see it purple. Anyways, so a very common mistake is just to write 100%. I mean 101%. But no, you have to be careful. You have to say 1 out of what? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5. So it is 1 out of 50. Okay? So it is 1 out of 50. And if you do this division, you're going to find out that it is 0.02. Okay, so if you move the decimal point 2 spaces, 1 and 2, so we find out that this is our answer, 2%. Okay, not 1%, but 2%. Okay, all right, so this is it, and see you next time.